I'm at a doctor's office. Here we got a bunch of units. We have a carrier, bunch of screws. I don't know what compressor this is. Oh, here's a train with a plug. Another lever. I just stepped in a big muddy thing. This one doesn't have data on it. I don't know what year this is from. And here's some carrier Toshibas and more trains. What the hell? Where did the compressor go? What the hell? This one doesn't have a oh yeah, I see, it's disconnected. Interesting. This one has scroll compressor. I don't know if it has been running. And here we have carrier base model and the 2023 carrier comfort. Here's another train. And this one has a recip, I think. And I don't know the date. We have this carrier base model and another carrier comfort. And one of these. Here's another train. Here's a train Odyssey. And it has two Climate-Tough scrolls. This is from 2004. Oh, that one is running. You can actually see its compressors inside. Looks like a new one. Only one side that's running though. Yeah, it has a Goodman scroll. New one, I think. Let's see what else do we have here. Something sounds. I hear something noisy. The scroll compressor, 2018 American Standard Silver Series, 2006 XB13. Yeah, it has a Climate-Tough, and this one's running. Also from 2006. Yeah, these units are hard to get to. Yeah. There's a scroll. Speed 12 from 2004. And this is an Ally from 2022. Compressor. I have a scroll in it, 2005. This is also from 2005. I think it has a scroll. And here's a Bryant from 2022. Those were all those units. I'm gonna check out the ones over there. Oh wait, there's more. Wait. More over here. Yeah, like more trains and stuff. Oh, some of them are pretty noisy actually. This one sounds nice. Climate-Tough compressor. It is from 2005. This is also 2005. One is nice. And then we got 2006 train. This is a larger one with the scroll in it. This one sounds nice too. And this one just turned off. Oh, that has a scroll in it. I love the sound of this one. Not that noisy though. Here we got some more units. I don't know what these are. Some kind of ream, I think. Oh yeah, it's a ream. 2012. That one sounds weird. One of these sounds. Oh, this one that sounds weird. The hell? That one sounds weird. Here's this big generator. I got 2 more of these. These are Rheem Classics. Yeah. These are like Rheem Classics. And here's an old Lennox, I think. Sounds like it. Can't see it. Probably has a scroll, but I don't know. Here we have a York LX from 2019, and it also 2021. And here we have another Lennox. Yeah, this has a scroll. It appears it is from 2005, I think. Yeah, those are these units. This one's noisy. Sounds like it has a recip actually, but I'm not sure. That is actually Universal Studios over there. How cool. And then there appears to be like 3 Trane XRs. I don't feel like going to those though. The Mitsubishi Mr. Slim, a large Goodman mini split, interesting. And here we have some Goodmans. This one's running. That thing is also running. That's a... Oh, this one just started up. Yeah. One of those. Here we got a run true. Looks brand new actually. Year. Doesn't have a year tag. Oh yeah, big fat Copeland scroll. It's like the size of a chiller compressor almost. Yeah. Here's another one running. I don't know what that is. That's a comfort air or something. You can see Rip Ride Rocket from here. We have another Goodman. And this has, oh, it has a scroll. I thought that was a Bristol. And then we have 2 of these. These are Comfort Air. Wait, no, they are Allied. I think this is an older Goodman as well. But I'm gonna go back. Wait, I don't think this one was running before. Yeah. These are Allied and a bunch of Goodmans. Carrier base model. Trane XR. That has a big compressor in it. No, I think this is a new one from 2024 because it has this sticker on it. And there's the Trane. I think it has a reciprocating filter. And I don't know what this thing is. Some kind of like chiller or something from coolant coolers. And no, this thing, I don't know what this is. No, I think the compressor is there. There's a 2019 Trane Comfort. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I think it's from coolant coolers. Interesting. And that would be it for this place, I think. I think that's all of the units around here. I think I filmed everything here.